Hello, traders out there in Traderland. D7 here with Grok Trade, and the markets look like they're getting ready to bounce, but not by much. Let's get into it. All right, the S&P 500 daily chart on the ETF called the Spider SPY. We're taking a look at this, and pretty bloody couple last weeks. But the last video I said to expect to bounce. We did get the bounce. I'm going to say it again this week. Expect to bounce. We should probably get a bounce. Let's see if it happens. Here's what I want you guys to look at. Okay, let's zoom way out. First, take a look here at the daily chart. If we go back several years, you can see we just been going up, up, up. Now let's zoom in. We don't need to go back several years. Let's see what's going on now. We have been on quite the trajectory, going straight up. Everything looking very, very nice. Very nice. I've been showing you guys huge bearish divergences. I'm not going to show those to you right now. What I'm going to show to you is we're going to go a little more micro. If you take a look here at uh, the trend reversal pattern we have here, can you tell me what trend reversal pattern this is? You've been with me a long time. Many of you are Grok graduates, but I want you to tell me what trend reversal pattern do we have here? Now, remember, we're educators. We teach, we train, and this is a little pop quiz. You can put that down in the comments. Looking forward to that, but I'm going to bring a few more things to you here. If you take a look at this, we do have a little pinching pattern. It's a little bull pennant, if you will, on this big rally up. However, I do see a problem here because the trend reversal pattern that you are telling me down in the comments right now. And if you think you know what it is, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you think you know what it is. But I want to show you something. You see how we have a down leg here and an up leg here? Well, this is a swing low. This is a point, and we're missing a line. So if I were to put a line in here, and this is something that you'll want to pay special attention to when I do. If I put a line in here and I go from this low to this low, now it looks like I drew that incorrectly, right? It looks like, whoa, you did not draw it. You drew this one right. You did not draw this one right. But it clears up if you go to a line chart. You see how I put it on there perfectly? Perfectly. Now, you'll know what trend reversal pattern that we have here based off of that happening. So for extra bonus points, I want you to tell me what this line is called. This line. This line is not a trend line. I mean, technically it is a trend line, but there is a very specific name for it. And I want you to tell me trend reversal pattern and what this line is. And if you're a Grok graduate, feel free to jump in and be a part of this if you'd like to help out everybody else. So that's what we're looking at on the diamonds or on the spider. If you go to the diamonds, I'm going to check out something here. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to look and analyze some of these lines a bit more. Do you see how we popped over the line and popped over it again? So because of that, I feel like I want to come up and incorporate those lines and see if they make sense anywhere else. And what I would like to do is maybe tighten it up a little bit, maybe on this one. So if I go down here and I'll tighten it up, I'll snap to it. Yeah, something like that. We have a nice rising wedge. We're at a support level. We're right there. We have 1.2 points, 3 points, probably 4 points there if I go to this. Yeah, you can see it pretty easily bounce. Look where we're at right now. If we hone in, we got a doji. It's called a spinning top at the bottom. So you have this area that we have a good chance of rallying higher. That's what it looks like to me. We're selling on some big volume, guys. There's a lot of selling taking place if you haven't noticed. Look at the volume increase on these down legs that we're getting. This is smart money exiting the market. And if you look here at the Qs, take a look at the Qs. The Q had this, I'm going to go to a line chart. I'm going to massage these lines a little bit more. Let's go up here. Yeah, I like this line a lot. So to massage it, go up here to encapsulate all of them. We're looking at something like this. So it's boom, boom, boom. I just want to see what we're going. If we're to come over here, what you have is a rising wedge, and we broke down from that rising wedge. That is problematic. That's problematic. I'm gonna go here and take a look. Yeah, we touch it there. Wow, we don't really touch them there. We touch it here. We broke it. Will this pop up? Yes, but I see major resistance coming up really, really quickly. That is no good. If you go to the Russells, that is big gap down, run up. We are way down blowing. We got lower swing highs, lower swing lows. Yes, I'm expecting a little bounce, big volume on the drop. Will it bounce? But here's the line that I'm going to be watching for. Okay. I'm just going to repurpose this line. I'm going to go here, go to line chart. Again, this is on the this is on the small caps, the Russell 2000. What trend are we in when you got a line going straight down? It's a downtrend. That's what we're in. So yes, will it bounce up and will it hit its head right here with all the moving averages that are rolling over? Oh, you better believe that there's a good chance of that happening. So let's watch to see if that does. But anytime you have the Russell 2000 showing relative weakness like we do here, that should tell you something on the remainder of the markets. Financials, well, I like to take a look at the financials. What's interesting on the financials, if you look at this, we have this symmetrical triangle. It broke out, but we came right back in. Usually, gang, if this is a true symmetrical triangle, which we have hit one, two, three times at least. Let me see if we hit more. Yeah, right here, one, two, three, four, five times. It broke and then it came on Friday. The financials came back down. Usually, this is called a bearish death hook, and this could get very bearish and fast. So the markets on Friday went up, but what did the financials do? It lost 1%, gang. So I'm seeing not that gap down run up like we saw across the board on all the rest of the major indices. I'm seeing a bearish death hook taking place. This could be the beginning of a nasty little drop in financials. And if that happens, the markets are only strong as the financials there to support it. Look for the rest of the markets to follow suit. But I say all that to say it wouldn't surprise me if on Monday we get a nice little pop. But I think that Monday pop could be short lived. I don't know if it'll go through the remainder of the week, let alone the next couple days. It may or may not. What I'm seeing here on the financials concerns me. Now, if the financials get bullish the next couple days, then I'm going to massage this line and put it to this swing high, and we'll be in the confines of a triangle at that moment. So Mondays are a really big deal to me on what's going to happen here. So that will be something I'm watching for. If you look at gold, gold is going to try to move up. If I was going to massage some of these lines, let's go to a bigger macro snap right there. So this is a really, really good line. So that line's very important to me. We're in a huge symmetrical triangle right now on the on gold. So this triangle right here is a big dog. So we're watching this like a hog. So let I mean this is the same thing that we're getting here. Check this out. So this is a big time deal. We're on gold and silver. It would be great to see gold pop down and silver pop down to these support lines because that would be a big time buy area. I see it happening. VIX is under 20. It rallied up. We're at the 20 mark. So do you see the trend that the VIX, the fear is in? Fear is trending upward, higher swing lows, higher swing highs. Yeah, we're above these moving averages. See the moving averages? And we're starting to get above them. That is a lot of fear coming in. If and when that happens, Bitcoin has been going down, giving us some buy opportunities. So I'm really liking when it breaks these trend lines, I get rid of them because it tells me they broke them. And if I go here, watch this, I'm going to draw a line from here. Let's go to there. And I'm good. So I'll bring it up like that. Chances are we touch it. Well, let's watch right there. Yeah, we touch them with those, man, right twigs, right to the penny. I mean, that is so cool to see this. Guys, now, let me see what's going on here on Bitcoin. Is this a potential? Oh boy, yeah. I'm gonna go here to there. I'm just kind of looking at some lines here. Oh, Bitcoin, I think, is going to hit this lower trend line. I'm going to get rid of that line. It'd be interesting if it gets to this line. And this line is big time support, big time support. That would be a good buy area. That buy area would put us around 91, $92,000 on Bitcoin. And I got some IRAs that I might be looking to get into some Bitcoin if we get down there. That's interesting. Might be doing that. So there it is. Doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and do it if you like it. Don't just assume that YouTube's going to feed you this video. Make sure that you're subscribing to get the latest videos so you're not seeing the older ones. You want these as soon as they come out, and hit the little bell. It will alert you as soon as it comes out so you can get the latest and greatest. I've been trading in live markets 27 years. I'm a hedge fund owner and I've been mentoring individuals for almost 20 years. So that's the long and short of it. Take care, guys. We will see you soon. We'll see you. Bye.